So a very good morning to our RANsquawk listeners and welcome to the rundown for today, November 16th. We've seen a very volatile session so far after initially opening quite sharply lower in European equity markets following suit of the declines we saw overnight in the Nikkei and the Shanghai Composite. We continue to rally. This came predominantly on the back of the ECB said to have been reactivating their S&P, purchasing particularly Italian but also that of Spanish and Portuguese debt. This time though the clip sizes are touted to be much larger than what we've seen on previous occasions. Total of around 2 yards has been speculated so far in which they've purchased, and as such the 10-year bond yield spreads over benchmark bonds have tightened significantly across the board as well. That Italian key 10-year yield is back firmly below that 7% level for the time being. However, equities made an about turn are currently trading towards session lows. This has come after two real things. A Reuters source has indicated that UniCredit's chief executive has been in talks with the ECB about changing some of the collateral requirements and lending toward Italian banks. And also as well, the quarterly inflation report from the Bank of England has just been released and has carried a very dovish tone. They've slashed growth estimates, so that was largely expected. In terms of inflation forecasts, they do say that more likely or not, that will undershoot the mandated 2% target in 2 years' time. That coupled as well with the earlier release of the ILO unemployment rate, which came in as highest since 1994, with youth unemployment up over 1 million, has seen cable and the currencies trading on the back foot. One other thing to mention as well, we did see a Schatz auction coming out of the German Bundesbank, technically uncovered. The bid to cover ratio there was at 1.1, but they sold shy of 5 billion from the 6 billion euros that were on offer. That did put a bit of pressure on the short end there. Looking ahead then towards the rest of the session, the US CPI and industrial production reports will take precedence. Also various meetings in regard to Italy as Monti looks to name his cabinet and ahead of a confidence vote which is expected tomorrow. Lucas Papademos also has a confidence vote later this afternoon. Something else to just keep an eye on. That's it from me for the time being, so I'll have another update this afternoon, but enjoy your trading day.